Hello friends! Today I'll be showing you how I make my pumpkin pie lip balms. It's the season for all things pumpkin and these delicious lip balms have been flying off of the shelves. If you want to know how exactly I make these, keep watching. And if you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. My channel is all about the behind the scenes magic of my small bath and body business. If that's your jam, please subscribe and hit that notification bell for the latest weekly video. And without further ado, let's get into it. Hey everyone, we are now at the next day and my lip balms are all cleaned up and ready to be labeled. I have my labels here, pumpkin pie. We're now approaching the middle of October, so this will actually be the last batch of pumpkin pie lip balms, I think, until we move on to making Christmas stock, which I have a few flavors in mind for Christmas. But this was super successful for us this year. We sold maybe 100 of these tubes of pumpkin pie lip balm. So that's incredible. People really love pumpkin this time of year. So I'm gonna take my online labels, which I print from home, and the labels that I designed, and I'm gonna stick them on these and they should be ready to go.
I love you. You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
So I just wanted to show you guys real quick. This is our pumpkin spice pumpkin pie gift set that we sell on our Etsy and also on our main website. But it includes one of our delicious pumpkin pie lip balms, pumpkin pie sugar scrub, and a pumpkin spice soap. And yeah, this set has been selling super well. Like I mentioned before, anything pumpkin right now is the season. So if you're interested in getting one of these gift sets, we have the link down below. And if you're interested in giving this as a gift, which a lot of people buy these for a gift, like a birthday gift or any other type of gift, you can do that. We do a custom card that can say whatever you want on it. We include that with that as well. And yeah, I might do a video about gift sets and making them and how we build them. So if you want to see that video, subscribe. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like if you did. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. I try to post daily. So until then, thanks so much for watching, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!